Okay, this video would be about how to manage your files. So this is my style, so that I would avoid having missing files. So I have my folder, which is the copy paste folder. Inside the folder would be a done subfolder, and inside of it is the archives, uh, which I place all my finished files. Um, the finished files would look like this. Uh, these are Word converted files, and this is the raw files, the image files. So this is another example. There. Okay. Also the finished file. There. Also inside of it is the paid folder. Obviously, it's empty because it's empty. There my invoice and everything. The second is the resource where I get my templates, my samples, also my software, just in case I need it. Inside the done folder is also the template. So if I get my files, I just copy this template, paste it outside or in the copy paste folder. I copy the file name of the folder and rename the Excel file as such. So I open the template. The data inside are only used for formatting purposes, so I have reference of for that. It should be deleted afterwards. Okay, so I open my converter and I open the folder. Make sure you have a complete set. If you have 25 files, then it should be 25 items. So I highlight it and cut it, then paste it outside the folder. This should be arranged viewing small icons and should be sorted ascending by date or by type of file, or I mean by name. This would arrange your files from the first to the last. Okay, so whatever is the topmost file, that is the file that you are currently working on. So just drag it, do your conversions. Let's just make a quick one. Okay, save it. Save the Word file, the converted file, the same as the page number. So in this case, it's 426. Save it. So after you converted it, you do your editing, and then you copy, and then you paste it. Okay, after you did your editing and your copy paste, go to the Word file, then close it. Make sure to save it. Then go to the software, converter software, and close the file, just the file, not the software. You need to do that so that the files would not stack up in the software. So after you're done, the highlighted file is the current file that you've been working on. You drag it inside the folder, inside the 426450 Shoshin folder. That indicates that you are done with it. So what's the topmost file is the 427. You drag it there. You do your conversion. So, and again, you need to rename to name your file according to the number. Make sure to sort this according to name or date in descending order. Descending order would make the topmost file as the current file. So I'll just make an example later, so you will see how it looks. So when you did your converting, just a little change. So for example, okay, you're done, and then you need to again save the file. You close it, save it, you go to your converter, you close it, then you drag your 427 up inside, you go to the next, and you do this all over again. So as you can see, it's the topmost. It would stack up there, so you need to see the most recent file that you did. So just click it, number 8, make sure it's the same, save, and you do the whole process again. Then you go to the Word, you close it, you save it, you close this, then you put the topmost file up. In case you just stop and you don't know what file you are working on, you can always check at the bottom. You see the files that you've already worked on. Make sure the next number is 42 is the same as what is above, so you won't miss out, just in case you just went out and did some things. So that's how I manage my file. I hope I helped you how to manage your file so that you won't have missing files.